part of the evolution of the contemporary romance novel in this genre of romantic fiction publishing is the evolution of the heroine. She has very much changed along the lines that you're describing, sort of broken free of a more traditional, limited notion of femininity. So today's romance novels, they feature, I call them like these kick-ass, powerful heroines. In a paranormal subgenre, they might be vampires themselves or vampire killers. They are tough, they're professional women, they have jobs, they are complete in and of themselves and not waiting for romance necessarily to complete them. They don't need the man in the same way that might be true of earlier romances when women had many fewer options for economic self-sufficiency. So I think that the romance genre is part of sort of this leading edge of changing gender stereotypes, of opening up more possibilities for women. And the fact that it's read in such massive numbers by particularly young women who are still forming their ideas of what it means to be a woman, of femininity, I think that's powerful, that romances can show new norms for their readers. But it's maybe not absolute. I like to see both sides of questions. One could argue that it still does limit young women in the extent that it tells them you do need to find someone to love.